Welcome to another Tyson DocuSign video. In this video I will show you how to push tracking log to any object in Tyson DocuSign. And we'll also push an attachment so you actually learn both the attachment and the tracking log. And I'm going to show you a use case where this is necessary and why pushing it to the main object might not be the best idea. So let me open up Salesforce here. What I'm going to do is I want to send my contract to the primary contact in my opportunity here. So let's say this is a Titan opportunity and the primary contact is Tim Blocks. I want to send him the contract, but I want to send it from the opportunity. However, the tracking log, I don't want it to attach to the opportunity, rather to his files and attachments, even the contract. So how do I do that? Okay, well, let me show you. So let's go ahead and drop a PDF in here. And we'll call this PDF tracking log demo. And I'm going to keep it very, very simple here. We'll insert like 3 fields. We don't need to go into too many details. We'll do first name, last name, and then for the donated amount, I'll use opportunity amount. And then we'll add some signatures in here, like this. Alright, so let's go back here and then do first name, last name, and then we'll use the op amount, and then signature. So I know that my contact is going to be the primary contact in the opportunity, so we'll say we'll go for none and we'll go dynamic, and then I'll do primary contact op, like this. Actually, I want to get one more field here, and this is the field we're going to use for our tracking log because it's going to get our data in. So this field is going to be called the contact ID. And normally you would use this as a hidden field, but I'm going to use it as a text field because I want to show you the end result on how it's done. And that's it. And we'll call this contact ID. Right, so back onto the document access. Let's go ahead and assign these fields to our primary contact. Once they've been assigned, I'm going to click Dynamic, Salesforce Configuration, we'll use Opportunity, and we'll say Use Salesforce button. Then in the mapping, this is where the magic happens. So we'll choose Opportunity, Condition, Op ID equals Record ID. And here we can go ahead and start to map our fields. So first name, so we'll do a reference here completely. Primary contact, primary contact, primary contact again, primary contact again, and then this one will be the amount, which is the opportunity amount. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and reference it. First name, last name, email, again, first name, last name, and that's it. Now, the field I want to focus on is this one. This is going to bring back the contact ID, but how it's going to do it, it's going to do it based off the relationship here. So primary contact, contact ID. Okay, so I'm bringing that field back into the text field that I've specified. So once I bring the contact ID in here, now it's just a matter of pushing the file to that contact ID, aka your tracking log, or files, either one. So I'll go to Salesforce, we'll do a push. Actually, before I do that, I want to talk about the tracking log. You need to make sure tracking is enabled. You need to check this. Now, if I check this, this will push it to opportunity, which is what I don't want to do. So I'm going to leave that as unchecked. But I'm going to choose my signature. Okay, you must choose your signatures if you want to show them. Otherwise, they won't be shown. And that's it. And I'm not going to check this because I'm going to specify the tracking log to go to the contact. So I'll click Apply. And this is where we'll bring back the contact ID. Now in the document and Salesforce push, we'll do two things. We'll add object first files, and then we'll say upload tracking log. Alright, we'll go to map fields, we'll give it a title, we'll call it primary contact op tracking log. Bit of a long-winded name, but it's fine. Next, version data. This is where you choose tracking log as your file. And then finally, the first published location ID is going to be my contact ID field. What this means is, where are you publishing it? I'm going to publish it in my contact. So, a quick highlight, these are the three fields I've mapped. Title, what my file is going to be, it's going to be the tracking log. And what my published location ID is going to be, it's going to be the contact ID. Alright, that's all you really have to do. Now, this has all been saved. Now let's go to opportunity and execute this. So if we go to Titan opportunity now, we'll do FD generate, and then there is my tracking log demo. Go ahead and sign. Now this is going to process my request. It's going to start to send the document across to the signee. In the email here, it should arrive any second. So I think it's there already. There it is. Let's go ahead and open it. So there is my tracking log demo. Open link incognito. Now there are a few things I want to show you here. First, that obviously is pull the data across, but you see this? This would normally come in a hidden field, but the only reason I've got it here to show you guys that, hey, I'll pull the contact ID across. This is a contact ID of this contact Tim Blogs. Okay, so if I go into contacts and go to Tim Blogs, this is the contact ID AAE, and here it is, AAE, okay? And then when I finish sign, now this is where the document's going to start to push through. Alright, if we go to the integration logs and have a look, you can see the tracking log has been uploaded now. It's just uploaded literally a minute ago. So we'll go to directly to Tim Blogs and just give him a refresh. And then as you can see, there is my tracking log with the custom name I specified. This is the signatures and everything has been uploaded. Alright? And that's as simple as that really. That's how you choose how to push tracking log to any object. As long as you can return the ID and then specify the ID as a published location ID, you should be able to push this to any object of your choice. And that's how you do it.